project was based in Hong Kong, and Zazz's client for the project was Compass Hong Kong Catering, Compass being one of the world's leading food service providers. They had been awarded the contract for the brand new Conference and Exhibition Centre opening next to the Hong Kong International Airport. The new venue was called Asia World Expo. Because this was a brand new build of a whole facility, the catering had to template into lots of design and build and architectural processes. With regards to the practical complexities, that was really down to the numbers of tenders received. The programme was broken down into three main stages. The first batch of tenders, which totalled 8, was for the equipment for the various catering units, and that might include everything from a walk-in freezer through to a pig roasting unit, through to a chiller, to an oven. In terms of the start of that involved 8 companies, and we finally reduced that down to 2 companies who were awarded the contract. Then you move on from there, because that's the catering equipment, to what we call the tableware, the crockery, the cutlery, and the banquet furniture. All these companies had to be visited, their products had to be looked at, again they all had to be evaluated. And the third part to the equation was what we call the small wares. So in terms of complexity and intricacies, you had to at all times follow a very thorough process of evaluating the tenders. We were also managing our client, we were managing the exhibition hall, and we were managing the suppliers. So it was very much a coordination role, an advisory role, and a project management role. Because of the nature of the exhibition halls and the nationalities and culture of the visitors, you have to look very carefully at the Chinese menus and at the Western menus. So very much involved in menu development, ensuring that Chinese visitors, Western visitors would find something of interest for them to purchase from the food and beverage offering. The final part of the project was to coordinate and plan for a move for Compass's Hong Kong production kitchen, which is situated at Aberdeen, which is on the Hong Kong island, to move the whole kitchen over to Lantau Island, which is where the Asia World Expo exhibition centre is. And then finally, with regards to Hong Kong licensing laws, there was 3 different types of liquor licences required for the on-site units, and again there has to be processes and paperwork and correct documentation submitted to start that process, which again I was involved with. It was a fantastic project for Zazz to be involved in. We had glowing testimonials from our client, and it just goes to show what Zazz is capable of achieving on the international stage.